Hello and welcome. In this video, we will show you how to get set up for packing and field packing modules. Both of these modules require some one-time setup at the beginning. This process creates a template of packing materials and how they are arranged that you will pack your crops into. To begin, we will start by creating our packing materials and MasterStyles. To start, select Packing from the menu bar. Click on MasterStyles in the drop-down menu. This screen will show you all the MasterStyles. Your account may come with some preloaded styles with popular packing materials you can use, or you can add your own. A MasterStyle is the configuration of packing materials that you'll be packing into. For example, the MasterStyle 10 1.5 liter basket corrugated represents a unit of 10 1.5 liter punnet containers in one large corrugated cardboard box. To create your own MasterStyle, you will start by adding the packing materials you will use. On the left-hand side of your screen, select List Packing Materials. Here you will see the different types of packing materials available on your account. Packing materials can include anything you use to get a crop ready for shipping or selling, like plastic clamshells, punnets, stickers, elastics, and more. To add a new type, click the blue Add Packing Material button. Enter the title, label, description, and size or volume of your packing materials, and optionally, the cost per unit. Hit Save. Your new material will now appear in the packing materials list. Croptracker can keep track of your material inventory to determine your costs as well. For more information, check out our video on tracking packing material inventory. Now we'll finish creating a MasterStyle using our new packing material. Click on List MasterStyles to return to the MasterStyles list. Click on the blue Add New MasterStyle button. Enter the title, label, and description. The information from the label field will be what is displayed on the master tags if you print them, so make sure it is clear. Click Save Your MasterStyle and it will take you back to the MasterStyles main list. To complete this MasterStyle, you will need to add the packing material. Find the MasterStyle you just created. You can scroll down or use the search bar at the top of the list to find it. Click on the arrow next to the View button and select Edit, and then select Add More Packing Material. Select the packing material you just made from the list and the quantity if applicable, and hit Save. On the screen, you can see we've just created a configuration of 10 plastic punnet containers to 1 cardboard strawberry flat with 12 Farm Fresh strawberry stickers. Save your MasterStyle, and it will now be available to select under MasterStyles. For the final step, before you can start packing into your new style, we'll need to save your MasterStyle as a product. A product is the configuration of how your MasterStyles will be shipped or stored. The information entered here will be printed on your pallet tags. A product can only have one MasterStyle associated with it. On the left-hand side of your screen, select List Products. Here you will see the big picture of your packing configuration. Click on the blue Add New Product button. You can select as many crop types as you would like. Select the MasterStyle you just created from the drop-down menu and be sure to enter the number of units per pallet. Fill in any additional information you'll need on your pallet tag and click Save. Your product is now ready and can be selected to pack into, either in packing or field pack events. To learn more about packing and field pack and tracking your material use, check out the video and knowledge base links in the description or on our website. As always, thanks for watching.